you're doing these studies and you're literally looking at immune cells within a couple of hours. And so, can we say with great confidence that transfer factor is clinically proven to act on the immune system within 2 hours?
Yes.
So, you're the co-founder of NIST Labs. What is the mission of NIST Labs, which incidentally stands for Natural Immune System? And how is NIST Labs different than other labs in dietary supplement space?
The mission and the passion is truth. It is the truth in science, and it is to be able to dive into marketing claims on natural products and see if they hold true.
You performed a study for us, and perhaps the study that you performed is not typical of what you have done in previous studies. And so, as you started to develop the clinical study protocol, what was compelling about transfer factor compared to some of the other ingredients that you examine on a day-to-day basis? What was really unique about this study?
For your product, it seems much more likely that there is a rapid absorption of the transfer factors into the gut mucosal tissue, and that's where you have an enormous amount of immune cells just sitting ready and waiting for that call for action.
Walk us through how this particular study was conducted.
Okay, so the study participants were all healthy, and we are we have them come in on 3 different occasions. We have them sit down quietly in our clinic rooms, 1 person per room, and we have a very quiet environment to reduce the noise so we can better pick out what is happening. And then we feed a participant either a placebo or the active product. And we then take blood 1 hour and 2 hours later, and we take blood the next morning. And then we look for what is changing in the immune system. So we are looking at very fast changes. And the power of this type of study is that each participant will consume placebo and at another occasion will consume the product. So we are looking at their changes in relationship to the day where they had placebo. They serve as their own control. And that is what makes this kind of study so powerful.
Wow, that's amazing. So you're doing these studies and you're literally looking at immune cells within a couple of hours. And so can we say with great confidence that transfer factor is clinically proven to act on the immune system within 2 hours?
Yes.
Now, I'd like to get into the weeds a little bit more here because for us, this is really big news. So transfer factors acting on immune cells to improve their communication process. Is that correct?
Yes.
And it improves immune system surveillance. And if that's not enough, it also increases the alertness of our immune system, right?
Yes.
So my question is, how is transfer factor able to do all those things after only 1 dose?
Because it goes in to meet the immune cells, and it engages very rapidly to start communication signals. In the science terms, we talk about cytokines, we talk about communication molecules that the immune system, the immune cells are sending out. They can circulate throughout the body, and we get like a cascade of events. So even if you are just consuming some little portion of the product, that will initiate a few cells doing something that will tell other cells to do something that will then cascade, and more cells are going to get involved, not just in the area of your stomach where the capsule dissolved or got in contact, but throughout the body.
Wow, that is just incredible research. And I just want to say that you bring such great value and credibility to transfer factor research. So on behalf of 4Life and all of our affiliates and customers from around the world, thank you for your time and thank you for your insights.
Thank you.